Number 1.
Good morning. Good morning. What a lovely day.
Number 2.
Goodbye. Have a nice day.
Bye. See you later, Mum.
Number 3.
Who's that boy over there, Hannah?
That's my brother, Jem.
Your brother?
Yes.
Number 4.
And that's his girlfriend, Lucy. The pretty girl with the long brown hair.
Oh, right.
Number 5.
So, you've got a brother?
No, I've got 2 brothers, Jem and Alex.
Number 6.
Really? How old is Alex?
Alex and Jem are twins. They're both 15.
15? And does Alex look like Jem?
They're exactly the same. They're both tall and thin. They've both got short brown hair, green eyes, and big ears.
Oh, they're not big. I think they're cute. And, has Alex got a girlfriend?
Number 7.
I wear it instead of sunglasses because sunglasses make me look so stupid. I always wear it when it's sunny outside. If I don't wear it, the sun hurts my eyes. It's not too good on windy days, though.
Number 8.
It's excellent for work because it's pretty big and I can get all my business papers in it. It's not one of those cheap-looking plastic ones. It's made of real leather.
Number 9.
I use it to put my things in when I play sports. It's pretty big, so I can get all my clothes and my running shoes into it.
Number 10.
It's an expensive one, but I use it a lot because it's very wet here in the fall. I love the colors, too. People can easily find me in a crowd when I'm using it.
Number 11.
It's great when you're on a trip somewhere, especially when you're taking a flight because you can take it on board the aircraft. It's not so big, so you can put it in the overhead compartment or under the seat in front of you. It's also got wheels and a handle that you can pull out.
Number 12.
They're very comfortable for jogging or walking. That's good because I jog and walk a lot. But they're really old. I've had them for about 3 years. I hate the color, but I'll use them until I can afford a new pair.
Number 13.
Bathroom. There is a bathtub in my bathroom. On the wall over the bathtub, there is a shower head. We have a shower curtain hanging on the rod over the bathtub.
Number 14.
If you want to take a shower, we close the curtain. There is soap and shampoo in the bathroom. The soap is used for washing yourself, and the shampoo is used to wash your hair. Towels are hanging on the racks.
Number 15.
If you want to take a shower, we close the curtain. There is soap and shampoo in the bathroom. The soap is used for washing yourself, and the shampoo is used to wash your hair. Towels are hanging on the racks.
Number 16.
If you want to take a shower, we close the curtain. There is soap and shampoo in the bathroom. The soap is used for washing yourself, and the shampoo is used to wash your hair. Towels are hanging on the racks.
Number 17.
We keep other things in the bathroom too. There is a medicine cabinet which holds painkillers, toothpaste, and makeup. My mother likes to wear a lot of makeup on her face. There is also hairspray and gel. There are brushes and combs for our hair. There are toothbrushes and dental floss for our teeth.
Number 18.
What fruit has Fred got in his garden?
Mum, Fred's parents have got a new house in the country. It's very big.
That's good. Has it got a garden?
Yes, it has. And there's a lot of fruit.
Oh, does it have coconuts or bananas?
No, but it's got a lot of pineapples.
Number 19.
What did Sally get for her birthday?
It was Sally's birthday last week.
Oh, what did her parents give her?
I don't know.
She wanted a guitar or a computer.
Well, they didn't give her those. Oh, yes, I know. They gave her a new camera.
She'll like that. She loves taking photos.
Number 20.
My favorite thing has to be my new tablet. It's really light and quite small, so I take it with me everywhere. I'm always writing messages to friends, and it's big enough to do college work on it too.
Number 21.
It takes really good photos, and I play games and listen to music on it as well, of course.
Number 22.
I often download films onto it and watch them in bed.
Number 23.
My mom says I'm addicted because I'm always on it.
Number 24.
I even read things on it at breakfast time. I'm not allowed to at dinner time, though.
Number 25.
I have to be polite and talk to people then. Welcome back to real life, my mom says.